My name is Alfons Tax-Wiesinger. I'm responsible for logistics network at Magna in Graz, Austria. Our Magna Group is one of the worldwide leading brand-independent engineering and manufacturing partners for OEMs. In order to optimize and manage inbound transportation to the plant in Graz, FOFLO and Magna implemented the FOFLO iTMS. We realized that there are much more opportunities available when we integrate our part suppliers and logistics service providers even further into logistics processes. Before the project, our supply chain was effective, but it lacked the optimization benefits that come from a digital transformation like this. With the FOFLO iTMS, we can be flexible and adjust our deliveries to match our needs in manufacturing. There were almost immediate cost savings associated with optimizing our inbound supply chain. With each wave of the rollout, we saw more and more savings as more and more suppliers and carriers were integrated into the FOFLO iTMS and more deliveries were optimized for utilization. FOFLO's expertise in optimization and digital transformation were essential to making this project a success in such a short time frame. The collaboration set us up to respond with agility to any sorts of unexpected changes. By optimizing this segment of our supply chain, we could significantly reduce the number of shipments, the number of trucks on the road, and our carbon emissions. In the end, this kind of optimization is a crucial step towards designing a sustainable supply chain.